Module 1, Introduction to CSS 3 and Basic Styling. Welcome to Beidat IT Training. In the first course, you learned about HTML. Now in Module 1, we'll dive into the fundamentals of CSS 3, the language that brings style to your HTML. You'll start by setting up an online IDE like JS Fiddle, CodePen, or Replit to test your CSS code in real time. We'll cover the purpose of CSS and how it enhances HTML. You'll learn about CSS syntax and selectors, including inline and internal CSS. For example, inline CSS can be applied directly within an HTML tag. HTML. P-style equals the color, blue, this is blue text / P. Internal CSS is placed within the style tag in the HTML document's head. HTML. Style. P. Color, red. / style. P. This is red text / P. Exercises will help you practice these skills, and a lab project will guide you in styling a basic web page with various colors and fonts. An interactive quiz will reinforce your learning. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of basic CSS styling and be ready to move on to more advanced topics. Let's get started with CSS 3.